Alright, I'm trying to cut a 9mm thick acrylic puzzle out of, 9mm thick acrylic, and using 5mm a second at full power, which is 25, 26 milliamps, somewhere in there. And so far so good. It's giving me the very obvious flame coming out the bottom occasionally to let me know that it's going all the way through. I apologize for the lack of lighting. The 24 volt lighting is coming soon. Oh, there goes the flame. To let me know that I'm burning the backside of the covering. I still need to squelch my air for acrylic. There's still just a little too much air coming out of my nozzle, which is probably what's causing all that fanned flame. If I could cut that down a little bit, it would be a little less. But okay, it's cutting the last vertical strip. No, it's getting out of focus here. I don't know if I can. Oh, I guess it will focus. I try to focus on the. It's just creating a lot of plastic fumes, so I don't want to run it with the cover off just yet. But we're getting there. Okay, we're going to start doing the last vertical. Now it's going to start cutting the other direction and start freeing pieces. There goes the first piece, and we have a drop. That piece dropped a bit, so it's actually cutting through without leaving a little tag on it. That's kind of nice. All right, I'm going to be very interested to see what the back side of this looks like at the end. Screw it. Here, let's now I'm going to leave the cover down. I kind of enjoy having this cover now, so I don't have to worry about anything getting in the beam or whatnot, and the vent does so much better. I'll come back over here and refocus. Yeah, it's hard to see, but the pieces are dropping. I should have made the pips a little bigger because this is an awfully thick puzzle, but I'm homesick, so I thought I'd just try it for fun. I've got 2 more of these plates from the scrap bin to mess with. I'll have to figure out what I want to do with them. Right now I've got a dwell time at the start of cut, working with 10 milliseconds, and then 50 milliseconds at the end. Looks like it's helping me make sure I get that last cut all the way through when it stops. Although it could probably stand to be increased to 100 each, just to be on the safe side. And it's running at 100% power at that dwell. Okay, here comes the last cut. It's just about finished. There it goes. More flame. That took a while to get used to, with seeing that flame come out, but it puts itself out the second the laser stops or moves on to a more covered area. So I'm sure that just has to do with oxygen flow. All right, almost done. Here we go. And the last pip. Done. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. All right. There's the puzzle. Let's move the backside. Oh, look at the backside. Yeah, that little bit of fire on there singes the back coating. Shouldn't affect the pieces too much. Doesn't look like it got that warm. Just enough to put a little bit of soot on the backside. But if I tap this here, well, I'm going to wind up dumping it. Let's go ahead and tap this on my lap. There it goes. So they just drop right out. Woo, they're warm. Woo, yeah, they are warm. That's those are warm puzzle pieces. Yes, indeed. Here, let's push the rest of these out. Oh, wow, that is hot. All right, note to self: allow puzzle to cool. Oh, there we go. We got these guys tried to stick back to the the edge. It's, see, they're all loose. They want to drop out, but the puzzle's so thick, it doesn't want to let them. There. So it cut all the way through. If you just shake these, they fall right apart. So I'm gonna do just that so that they tap that a little bit. Ouch. Yeah, they are warm. That gets hot. Temperature on the old deal here is holding right at 19. I heard it kick on, but let's knock these apart, and then I'll peel the covers off, and I'll probably show a picture of it all clear. And oh yeah, they're cooling off now quite a bit. The only thing I'm afraid of is that they if the plastic's still kind of molten, they will glue themselves back together, kind of fuse. But these don't appear to be doing that. They appear to be just falling apart. Just need to get the little they're thick, so the pieces fit nice, so they really don't want to slide just yet. There we go. All right, well, I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done.